So whatever was the circumference of the circle at that time, the similar is the length of the rectangle now. So we do have a formula for circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r.
I can learn all I need through online classes of teachingcare.com. It's so easy. Teachingcare.com helps me to learn right from the comfort and convenience of my home.
Study smart. Join teachingcare.com.
It's high time to engage your child with modern and effective ways of learning. In a school, college, or coaching class, each student is unique and different. They might be intelligent, very intelligent, average, or below average. Intelligent students grasp very fast. Very intelligent students find the class less interesting and thus need something extra of a higher level. Average students are slow learners. They can't cope with teachers' pace and need extra time and effort. Whereas below average students mostly get confused, thus need extra care. Then there are some special category students also. For example, shy students need motivation and encouragement for asking about their doubts. Students who face hurdle in instruction medium. Students who face the fear of getting mocked by peer group for asking petty doubts. Here, we must understand that every child has different intelligence, academic level, learning speed, learning style, learning interests, learning preferences, motivation level, different readiness to learn, different strengths and weaknesses. The biggest question here is, then how can one size fit all? Solution to this entire debilitating problem is personalized training, or at least in small groups. It's one-to-one tailor-made individual learning based on your child's unique learning style and his or her strengths and weaknesses. In fact, nothing is more precious than your child's career. So don't lose time and book free trial class for one-to-one personalized learning at teachingcare.com.
Good evening, Sambit.
Good evening.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay. So we were doing turning effect of forces. Frame of reference for the car. Okay, समझ आया? जिसके रेफरेंस में हम मेजर करते हैं कि कोई ऑब्जेक्ट मूव कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. ठीक है?
Hello everyone, I'm Tashmeen Kaur from New Delhi. Teaching Care live classes are really very awesome. Teachers are really talented and experienced. I would definitely recommend Teaching Care classes to all the students. Thank you.
Hi friends, I study with Teaching Care's online live classes for spoken English. I love ma'am's classes because she teaches me colored photos, videos and animations. I'll thanks Study Smart.
Are you satisfied, sir? Are you happy with the teacher and classroom?
हाँ सर बिल्कुल satisfied है.
Okay. Okay, fine.
कभी सोच ना सके.
ये बात तो सच है, आप कभी सोच ही नहीं पाएंगे मैं आपसे कितनी बेइंतहा मोहब्बत करती हूँ. दौलतवा का जाम अब भी बरकरार, वहां पे वीआईपी मूवमेंट हो रही है, उस रास्ते को अवॉइड कर सकते हैं तो प्लीज 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 अवॉइड कीजिए. अब बोल दिया है कि आपसे बहुत मोहब्बत करती हूँ तो आपको कोई काम की बात भी बता देती हूँ. एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सी चीज आई है जिसका नाम है teachingcare.com. TEACHINGCARE.com. ये एक ऑनलाइन कोचिंग और ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन है विद लाइव फेस टू फेस टीचर्स. ये रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो लेक्चर्स नहीं है, ये वो वाले लेक्चर्स हैं जहाँ पे लाइव आप फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हैं, अपने डाउट्स पूछ सकते हैं. इसमें एक वर्चुअल व्हाइट बोर्ड यूज होता है, इसमें एक्सपीरियंस ट्यूटर्स होते हैं फ्रॉम ऑल अक्रॉस इंडिया एंड अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, और ये एब्सोल्युटली आप अपने घर की चार दीवारियों में कर सकते हैं. तो बेबी व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? Go book a free trial class at teachingcare.com. Okay? Study smart. Join teachingcare.com. Get best teachers from India and abroad. Full individual attention, tailor-made to your child's learning needs. All doubts cleared during the class. Save time and money. Book now.